Okay, so on the Henley hearse, we've had some funeral parlor people come by, quite a few of them actually, and somebody from the Commercial Vehicle Association or whatever. And so one of the funeral people told us how to work the table. And so we're going to demonstrate that for you. I told him I'd post a video. So Brian, you want to tell us? So this table will come out the sides or out the back. And so, you have to move the seat forward. On the side, you're going to move it out for. He taught us that trick, and there's a little mechanism there that releases the table to work now that the seat is moved forward. Okay, and now he's going to demonstrate how the table works. So you just pull the lever there or whatever, and then it comes out. He's going to get it right. There we go. So the table comes out, and it'll pivot and come all the way out of the vehicle, and then you can put the casket on top of it. And you know what I think is great is all of this stuff is so beautiful. Every piece of chrome has been redone, all the rollers, all the bearings, all the latches. It's amazing. Okay, and after you've got the platform back in the car, then you come to the back here and you push this lever back in, or move it to the side. Yeah, there you go. And then that locks the platform in place because we don't want the coffin flying around inside the car, obviously. These are the little trays that fold down on the side, I guess, and you can put flowers in here that display through the windows. But I want you to look at this wood parquet. It's all been restored. I said earlier what this material was, and I was corrected by one of the funeral parlor guys. It's mohair, I think they said. But I'm just amazed at the detail and all these chrome pieces. Everything has been restored to such a high standard.